and this will be way more stable. Alright. midi-go-keys. Okay, so I will go back to this branch afterwards, maybe. I just want to test a few things before. Because like, from the last times I made, well, two main changes. I added logging, so I could see which keys were what, and so I could grab, okay, this pad is event 0x41 for example, so I could assign each pad to a key. So with that, I also changed from the print log to the fmt package to the log package, just because I prefer it for logging, but that's about it. Then I tested the game a bit, noticed that it was too sensible, and sometimes when I would hit a pad, another pad would end up getting triggered. Oops. Is that my... yeah, that's buffering. And this is alright actually. Let me just check. Well, live stuff, PC. Git checkout, threshold. So what I did was I added a new parameter for the threshold. This way, keys would only get detected if this threshold was met. This worked, was a nice idea. This is a nice idea in theory, but it didn't quite work. So yeah, I have to inspect this. Now I'm considering writing a few tests to check if this is working properly, because to be quite honest, I don't really know. Yeah, this should be good enough. Run. Yeah. Okay. So to write these tests, so this I just do set either press or release. Okay, so I could refactor this a bit. Actually, I think I would change the name of this package for that. Or I could just make it a... yeah. Key event dot key handler. No, it's actually in here. Yeah. Tab new. Key handler. So, and for this to work, we need, let me just check. Yeah, alright. Yeah, this is okay. Actually, I could move this to the other. I'll think about this anyway. So here we need an interface. that has a press keys that receives a list of int. Is this before? I'm never too sure about the order here. Arg. Yeah. Where is the ellipsis? It's before the type. Perfect. Press key. And release key. Presses the keys. The requested keys by their key code. Well, and lo and behold, release key. Release the requested keys by their key code. This can't fail because the package that I use doesn't have a way to report that it failed. And this is the key handler. Key handler. Oh, I haven't written this nor this. Oops. This is the handle keyboard. Not keyboard handler, it's the keyboard key events. Key manager, keyboard controller, key controller. Controls the keyboard by pressing and releasing buttons. Keys. Okay, oops. Okay. There we go. Okay, now yeah, and this will have a closer because it's always good to have a closer depending on the library and stuff. We never know. So here, instead of having a key event key bounding, we still have a KB, but it's a key controller. Let me just do this and this and this. Set key. Just call this context whatever, it will have a KB as well. And there we go. This quite literally doesn't do anything because close here also doesn't do anything. So yeah. Technically I could even close all the key handlers and stuff, but this is fine. it's not func type, struct. Let me just... there. Context. Handler. Handler. This is... yeah. Func new, which returns a pointer to a key handler. Yes, a private variable, a private type, but this works. So yeah, good enough. Yep, and an error as well. Configures a new keyboard handler. Runtime and time for sure. ER wrap. Okay, yeah. And then here return key handler new KB is KB. Yep, perfect. Now this is isolated. We don't need to worry about this anymore for testing this. Now I just need to receive this. It receives a key controller. Yeah, instead of KC, let's use KC for this. Okay, now KC dot set keys. And I just need to change it to this interface. Press keys and release keys. There we go. Okay, there we go. Release. I don't know how I would spell that. Yeah, that's correct. And okay, with this, we should be using the new module. Except here I don't need this anymore. Yeah, quite honestly, this can't fail anymore, but this is fine. Let me just errors.go. Get key generator, yes. And the others, not really. There we go. Key handler. Okay. Now I can remove this because it's not used anywhere. Time is used because I do need to sleep at, yeah, there's time duration, sleep, etc. But this isn't used anymore, so that's all good. Here I could change the MIDI event into an interface, but I don't feel like that's needed to make those two decoupled. Like, whatever for now. Yeah, it's more annoying the longer I don't do that, but let's see. Okay, and now I need to come here, back to main. Import the key handler. kbv.kc.close. Okay. Create the connection. kc error is key handler.new. Perfect. Okay, with this, I guess this should be working. Choose KB as type key bounding, blah. Line 29 of this. What did I do wrong here? Oh, okay, that's dumb. Yes. And here... Key events, I'm not using wrap anymore. Alright. Huh, what? Oh yeah, I just saw the getting the address. So okay, this is it. Okay, so now it's the same software as before, except I have removed the dependency between the keyboard events package, the one that actually do generate packages, and the rest of the application, so I'm able to test it now. Yeah. Yeah, Yeah, let me run go FMT after this as well. Good. All right. The couple. Que vents from keyboard event. So it may be tested independently. Alright, perfect. Now, I didn't do much with that, but what I did do is events test.go, and now we can start testing. Func test. Actually, there we go. Test basic press. Key event error is this. I should use that assert lib. It makes writing tests easier, I guess. But here we will need a key controller. So this key controller will be a simple mock key controller, which is a map of int to boolean. So if not in the map, it won't be pressed. If it is in the map, it will be pressed. Simple as that. Case pointer, close, error, return new, press keys, int, release keys, for key in keys, KC key is true, and here it's false. Simple as that. Now KC, gosh darn it, is make mock key controller. Con is make a channel. Alright, I will need time for this for sure. A channel of MIDI events. I don't think I'll need more than one event here. And yeah, just whatever it is. Okay. What is that? Justify assertion. Like, no, I'm not friggin' adding all that just to do some stupid asserts. Huh. I wonder why they changed it from one to the other. Yeah, it could make my code cleaner. I don't care. I like having few dependencies, even if it's only a test dependency. Func assert. Because usually this is what I do in a test. There is a condition, and then there is a string, test whether the given condition is true, printing the message marking the test as having failed otherwise. Easy as that. All right. Okay. Now we want to register a basic action. Yeah, actually, this is fine. Event type will be oops. Mid. Note on. Channel will be whatever, 1. The key as well, whatever. Again, whatever. And release time is somewhat important, so the test doesn't take that long. I'll put it to 1 millisecond, which should be fine. Okay, with this, yeah, right. Perfect. Now, yep, this is already working. So if we generate an event, search T KC key code is not pressed. Then the mid event. I don't think I used the source for anything. Nope. I just copied for a login purpose. Oh, actually I do use it for indexing the action. Wait, do I just calculate it from that? I do believe so. Yeah, I do simply generate it from that. Good, because otherwise this would be annoying. Let's type channel and key. Timestamp doesn't really matter. Event type, channel, key, and velocity. Now let me just adjust this. Okay. Just sending the event keeps the key pressed for the desired time. Let's put it as 10 milliseconds because otherwise it may not work. Can I sleep 0? I could just use runtime yield, yeah. To return immediately, not what I want. Okay, this doesn't make any sense, but whatever. For start is time.now. Now dot before start dot actually that line is now add release time. Time.sleep, time.millisecond. The issue here at like on Windows, I know that this probably won't work because Windows can't sleep for less than 10 milliseconds. So yeah, fun. Yeah, but regardless, this should assert at least once. Count increase. Well, first of all, check that we did hit it at least once. Didn't check the key press. Press wasn't checked even once. Key wasn't released. Failed to start the key event. The key event handler. Generator. Yeah, generator is the name I'm going for, right? Okay. That's sending a key different from key code doesn't set the key. Key plus 1. Oops. Let me put like here for reasons. So type 985. Well, yeah. Well, excuse me? There we go. Oh, come on. This returns a note event. Key was initially pressed. Key was pressed by an invalid mid event. Okay. Key wasn't held down for the desired time. Oops. Now, yes. Honestly, I could just send mid event. It's like 10, yeah. Like, it's way less than 10, but whatever. This works. Mhm. And also the connection where it will be sent. Yep. There we go. Velocity. And do a quick sleep just to ensure that the event is handled. Sends a dummy mid-event to the connection to con. Channel key +1, way easier now. Velocity is 100. I don't need the key code here. And con. Perfect. Now I can just do this. And there we go. Okay, before that I need to mid build no test. Build flag, ignore test. Ignore file in test. Yep, this. I mean, this would be beautiful, that you can't remove things from test, unless Go adding a package forced you to run some code that screw things up. Okay, so TLDR, screw me, I'll have to do this manually. I just hate having to use this. And I mean, it could work, I'm just too lazy to... Oh. Help. Test flag. Wait. Okay, dash dash tag. Yeah, let's go with Digital Ocean. Okay, you're using the old one, I don't care, this still works. That's why it didn't work, because I was dumb. Nope. Okay, that's perfect. Not really, but yeah. To run tests without installing midi-go-key, specify the build tag tests. Test. Test. There we go. Okay, let me clean things up a bit. There we go. No. Gosh, I hate this. Gosh. Like, it's so good. How the freak should I find those things if it's not in the help? How should I use a command that doesn't explain itself? Okay, wait, no, this isn't. Go clean. Okay, no, I'm not. Count 1. Yeah, so this is the problem with this kind of testing. Oh, actually, nope, this isn't the problem with this, it's with how I've written the test. It's a time dot time that it returns, a time dot time. Duration time dot duration. The event, the expected event deadline is returned. Returning the expected event deadline. There we go. Now this should work better. Oh, that failed. On line 33. Just to be sure. So if I did this, nope. There we go. Because yeah, I've waited long enough that the event should happen, but I don't know when it will happen. Actually, yeah, this isn't like good and stuff, but one second. Yeah, this is dumb. And isn't consistent like at all. Oh, this adds a new problem. Because then, yep. Yeah, there is not much I can do. Sure, the release event was handled. Like, it makes sense that this would fail occasionally. It just sucks. Now, if I remove this, if I run this 10 times, it will take 0.1 second, 100 times, it will take like 2 seconds. Okay, I did make that count correctly, I just didn't take into account the time that it takes to run the actual command. But I mean, this is good enough. Okay. So I can be sure that this simple case works, and that's good and all. Okay. Okay. Test velocity press. I will just use the same things here, except oh, that could work, yeah. Yeah, this is whatever. I will... Because yeah, that loop will be used over and over and over. So it makes sense to move it to a function. Assert key event. Yes, this, and this. The full duration, and then the step. Duration and step, alright. Send the event like that, yes. The release time is actually the duration here. I need the mock key controller. Yeah, and the key code as well. Alright, now this may work. Alright, now instead of doing that, we could just do this, passing T and KC here. Here's time dot millisecond divided by 2. Actually, yeah. And this should, oops. TKC, oh yeah, key code. And there we go. And since it's the same thing, it's expected to work. Good. Now here is the interesting part. A quick press. Then let it go again and test it. A quick press generates a quickly resolved event. A long press generates a long-lasting event. So if I send something with velocity 1, the smallest velocity, and if I send something with 128, release time should be around mean time. And this should be max time. Oh, whatever. Oh, wait, yeah. On line 30... What? You could be a bit more verbose about where you were, right? Where is my assert function? Golang print stack trace. It was the bug print stack, good. Nope, it's the bug. The bug.print stack. It's, yeah. Line 1/6, thanks. Hey. So, good thing the test is working. Okay, and that's actually quite nice, because, like, playing the game, it's kinda hard to tell whether or not it's actually working. So it's good that now I have confirmation that, yes, it does indeed work. Okay. And quite honestly, I'm mostly doing all this so I may afterwards add the threshold and be able to check that it's still working. Because that's what I'm somewhat confused. But alright. I will be right back. I like my hosting, I'm leaving. Alright, I'll just stretch a bit, then we can continue. there is one thing that I have to keep in mind, that yes, even though the key event package may be working properly, I don't know when Windows will accept, let's say, those events. Because yeah, I am calling a lib that will do something and tell Windows, you should press this key, okay? But I don't know when Windows recognizes it and when does Windows forward it to an application. So yeah, there are those things, but there's not much I can do about that. And I'm definitely making more tea afterwards. It's fun doing this like this, especially because then I can record the process of making these things. But gosh darn it, is it tiring to try to keep talking no stop? Alright. Let me just put my wrist thing back on. Oops. And yeah, back to writing tests. Oops. Those two next tests are a bit weird, and I may end up changing how the assert key event works, because yeah, both toggle action, hold action, yeah, and also hold action. Though this I could make use with a go routine, I guess. Let's write this and then I'll leave the other one to be the weird test. That has to do custom stuff. So here there is a max delay. And here there is a short release. Okay. Okay, this and this max delay, and here is short release. Alright. The velocity doesn't matter here, so whatever. and we will send a short release first. Yeah, this doesn't matter, this shouldn't work anyway. I'm more thinking about these. It's sending repeated events. Generates a long-lasting event. So here oops, there we go. Yeah. Alright, this is only used to calculate the deadline. Which doesn't really matter here. Okay, and now here the time will actually be count -1 because it does end up sending events every. Here will send, this will send one event and this will send another event. And this is the max time. That equals max delay times count, I believe. Oh right, except for this one the timestamp is important. Okay, so I can do something slightly ugly here. Last send. for the timestamp. Date when the test started. Now this, at the end of this, I will update last sent to time now. Send date. And timestamp is this is dumb. I don't need to worry about this ever exploding anything. Now dot sub last send divided by time dot millisecond. This should be way below an int32. An int32. This won't ever happen, but it's here just in case. Alright, now I can do all this. Okay, so this will wait until the event was sent by assert key event, kill events, roughly following the expected duration. Yeah, because the thing is, the first one will expire after short release. As long as I generate another event within 10 milliseconds, it will be alright. Then I need, after the first one, I need to wait a bit around next day. And now this should hopefully work. I think line 40. Oh. Where? 218. Oh, wait. Yeah, this. No? This max delay. Time dot millisecond. And there we go. Now this should simply work. No, that's not toggle press. That's hold. Because hold was easier, I think. Yeah. Now, time to figure out why my test is wrong, and if my test is wrong. But yeah, it's actually failing. No, 227? It's actually failing here. Huh. Okay, now this is interesting. Because if it's not event on, I love how I accept the event type, but then I just ignore it everywhere. I will fix that eventually. If velocity is 0, you press the key. Okay, if the event was sent quickly enough, we kill the action for a simple time. For a longer time, otherwise simply send a quick action. Last timestamp will be 0 here, so okay. Last timestamp is time.now sub a sum of the two, just to be extra safe. Time.millisecond. Okay, doing this should work now. A little better at least. Okay, so dot add last same. Was the error in the other part now? 255. Yes. Okay, perfect. I love how this doesn't help at all. And yeah, it's 100% my fault, but... Don't know. No, it's a start. Now. Now dot sub start. Elapsed. Oops, is this? Oh. Yeah, no, that's silly. I mean, I could, but nah, let's not. Elapsed 483 milliseconds. I mean, it was roughly held down. Oh wait, if I... Yes... Events delay times count. The key wasn't released on line 30. Yeah, on this one. Elapsed. Okay, let me just adjust this. There we go, and now this. Okay. Now 476 and 95. Yeah, 95 times 5. Oh, it's 450 plus 25. 475, yeah. Yep. And then there is the extra millisecond there. Do I actually need this? This could work, this might not work. Oh, nice. I hate things that deal with time, velocity, not with time, because testing this kind of software is just awful. I don't think this will work. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Wait a bit more to see if the key would be released soonish. But yeah, doing this for E is like 10. Okay, while it's pressed and E and I is positive, time.sleep, time.millisecond. If this oops, there we go. Debug, I don't know. Debug is fmt.s printf, key released after %s elapsed, else key wasn't released even after that. %s debug. I haven't included FMT yet, but now we have. And oh wait, false. Okay, it was released Uh, Gosh, I hate this. Okay, so that's like nothing. Yeah. It's a tiny wee bit more and it will work. Actually, that's dumb. There we go. Oh no. After retest. There we go. Well, this is the same, I'm just checking that it compiles. Okay. Now I could just like... There we go, now it works. Or not? Huh. It's annoying because it's just the difference between when when this tested and when the other go routine was scheduled. And like if we add anything here, I'll do a lot. It should work. Or not. Oops. Oh wait, no, I'm being dumb here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is interesting. Did I... No? Yeah, maybe the print was wrong previously, so alright. Let's do like 100 milliseconds? 200, whatever. So it's getting released 10 milliseconds after that. Oops. There we go. And still no update here. Yeah, more like 6 to 7. Ten. I could, instead of doing this, add a race time. Because it makes sense that this would be somewhat tricky in this case. And yeah, it's 100% dependent on when the events are generated and stuff. This is kinda quite tricky. I could also... Well, I could also send the timestamp there. This would force this to work instead of me having to try to time this they sleep properly and stuff. Yeah, let's keep it like this. And add a grace time here, I guess. Now for grace time, time.now dot add grace time while time.now is before the deadline. Wait until the key is actually released. Assuming it may take a little longer than expect. There we go. Okay, nice. Okay, it stopped. And I'll soon have to stop this. But let's see. So, and the last one is time.milliseconds, which shouldn't... Yeah, that's good enough. Yeah, and then this last one has actually a 10 milliseconds grace time. Didn't I do a .now .before deadline? Hey. There we go. Is it ugly? Yes. Does it work? Also yes. And like, for me the biggest thing here is that it is actually doing what I expect it to do. Which is nice. It is annoying how long this tests take, but like I can't do much about it. Technically I could, but like I don't know if I should, because dealing with times is annoying, especially times smaller than 10 milliseconds, and like on Windows. On Linux it's usually fine, but let's just not. If the key wasn't actually pressed, released, wait a bit longer so we may log when and if it was actually released. All right. Yeah, and for the hold test, I should be able to do something similar to this, now that I think about it. For the toggle test. Because, yeah, toggle has a threshold, the velocity, threshold, which will be like 30, I don't know. And then the short release, yeah. So event type la. Here is threshold, and here's the short release. Perfect. And then let me check this again. Wait. Still not getting here. This is whatever, because this is a wrong key press. This is something smaller than the threshold. Sending a quick press generates a quickly resolved event. Yeah. The timestamp doesn't matter for this type of event. So yeah, that doing a long press holds the button for a while. That sending a long press holds the event for until it's pressed again. There we go. I will do this in a moment because this will be fun. But here it's like threshold +1. Yeah. It was Ctrl E that I wanted to press. So it will sleep for however long I want the test to sleep, really. And then I just need to do a appropriate grace time here. So yeah, const max time is time dot millisecond times 100, I don't know. Time dot sleep max time, and then after that we send another event, which doesn't matter if it's above or below the threshold, it just needs to be another event. And whatever it is, yeah. Kill an event to be sent after max time. Like here, let's do 5. Hopefully this will work first try. The basic press didn't work. I may check that afterward, but toggle did work. And those are like, I'm just missing something here and there. And my food is getting delivered, so this is the perfect time to stop. I will commit stuff afterwards, but this is good enough for now, and then I'll be able to test my threshold. But alright, see ya.